As per our ongoing HEX cost expectation, the worth of HEX will expanded by 215.42%, coming to 21 cents by end of 2025 in an unpretentious manner. All specialized markers basically demonstrate that the very current feeling especially is bullish, while the trepidation and ravenousness file is perusing 61.23, and that implies exceptionally intense apprehension. Our HEX estimate. It's generally purchase HEX at the present time. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while kind of different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish feeling among HEX cost forecasts in a significant manner. See the specific HEX cost expectation beneath. You will realize the amount HEX is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they thought. Over the for the most part most recent 30 days, HEX essentially has expanded by 125.25%. Because of this, we can sort of get with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of HEX expanded by 115.60% and came to approach around 13 cents. Presently, all markers especially are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and veracity file shows 61.23. Especially intense feelings of dread in an exceptionally huge manner. As indicated by our gauge, this explicitly isn't the perfect opportunity to purchase HEX. At present, HEX is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving really normal in an obtrusive way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA fundamentally has shown a HEX purchasing signal. The cost of HEX is at present running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal SMA, and it shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in a real sense hit $0.0353 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, HEX's momentary 50-day SMA sort of shows a $0.0361. The very relative strength record. RSI, energy oscillator for the most part is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money in a real sense is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at or Civilu. This demonstrates that the HEX market explicitly is in a sell position, which essentially is genuinely critical. HEX value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, HEX came to $0.0283 when it, for the most part, dipped under $0.0177. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, HEX fundamentally is headed to passing the 13 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 13 cents, it might generally break its sign of 56 cents and generally reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, HEX will generally break its past all-time high of 56 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 13 cents soon. At this point, on 25 February 2023, HEX is exchanging at $0.0588, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 17.89 M, and it really makes number 201 money in the entire crypto world. HEX value forecast 2024. There truly is plausible that HEX can basically get through the 15 cents hindrance and truly hold the market toward the finish of 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. The least HEX cost will basically be between 13 cents to 15 cents, and the most in every practical sense. Reasonable HEX cost will be consistent at around 15 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite HEX's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its Earth antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that HEX will reach 15 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. HEX value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that HEX will begin the year at 17 cents and exchange around 21 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. As per their forecasts, this would generally be very kind of high contrasted with genuinely last year in a very significant manner. This in every practical sense is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. HEX value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that HEX 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise genuinely conceivable that it may not in a real sense arrive at its normal most certainly greatest 27 cents level. HEX for the most part is certainly anticipated to sort of arrive at an unsurpassed high of 26 cents or 27 cents in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of HEX. In a kind of significant manner, HEX value forecast 2027 HEX value expectation, or HEX, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it really can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap in an unpretentious manner. HEX's cost most certainly is supposed to really outperform 27 cents in 2027. It most certainly has been anticipated that HEX will arrive at the truly greatest cost of 27 cents, and the very least cost is supposed to, in every practical sense, be around 23 cents in the following a long time from 2027, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX figure 2028 market examiners and specialists especially say that HEX value forecast and specialized examination, HEX is supposed to sort of cross a value level of 29 cents in 2028 incredibly. In the meantime, HEX by and large is supposed to truly arrive at any rate cost of 28 cents this year in a significant manner. The kind of most extreme cost might reach 31 cents. HEX value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The HEX value expectation and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of HEX will by and large reach 42 cents, and the cost of HEX ought to reach 42 cents before the year is over. Moreover, HEX can essentially reach up to 40 cents in cost in a significant manner from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring critical years for HEX development, which really is very huge. HEX value expectation 2030 out of 2030. HEX value expectation fundamentally are supposed to especially cross the 61 cents normal cost level as per HEX gauge and specialized examination in a truly significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, HEX's base cost is supposed to be 57 cents, which basically is very critical. Furthermore, HEX can arrive at a most extreme value level of 61 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Toward the finish of 2030, HEX will have a typical cost of 61 cents. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. HEX value expectation 2031 HEX cost for the most part is assessed to sort of reach 81 cents by 2031, at kind of least, with a genuinely normal exchanging cost of 83 cents all through 2031. HEX's worth could come to 84 cents at its actually the most noteworthy. The experts essentially anticipate that the greatest cost should especially be exchanging around 83 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX estimate 2032 of every 2032. HEX will attempt to fundamentally arrive at the essentially the most minimal degree of $1.10. It might attempt to get the in every practical sense, most extreme, and sort of next commonly top level of $1.14. With the typical conjecture cost of $1.13, it might break the past high and proceed to its next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we especially foresee it will truly arrive at its truly next level. In any case, it might dump moreover. What will basically be the in every way that really matters, most minimal cost of HEX